So we are officially 12 weeks postpartum,
yes.
And we have been exclusively breastfeeding our infant. And today, as a dietitian, I'm going to plug you with a very simple yet very easy to do lactation cookies. Maybe cookies or cakes. You can use it for cakes as well. Recipe to actually help you with breastfeeding. It's very packed with nutrients. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you also try it and you let me know how it will go in the comment section. I would appreciate it. You can also tag me after you do that. Let's get started.
Single. Alright. Kumaanisha ukifuatilia marecipe anatuambia hatuna follow recipe. Tumieni recipes.
Smells like. In oil, you can do blue band. Blue band will be ideal, or margarine or butter. But yo, sahi hakuna any of those. So we're using this. I think it's a lot. Nema. Nema, kama Nema iko comfortable. Aha, hello. Mera.
Basi. Wewe ndio uko na mashida peke yako. Kumbe zako hata zifikiri. Zako ni kidogo.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you got one. But there's no hurry, the limelight's calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time is making fun of me.